Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. And do I have a treat for you guys? I'm going to give you all the deets on this unit that I'm wearing. I'm going to show you how I installed it, how I got these curls to pop without having to really define it. And of course, I'm going to give y'all my full review on what I feel about this unit. So if you want to see all of that and more, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Hermosa Hair. I'm going to just quickly show you the things that are going to come in your packet. Now, this is a curly unit that I am reviewing. So, of course, you guys know I went ahead and gave her a co-wash. And let me show you really quickly what the hairline is looking like. As you guys can see, it is plucked and it is bleached. Now, the first thing I like to do when I'm prepping my curly unit is trim off a little bit off the top, right? And when I say the top, I really mean the ends. Now, I didn't really want to put no layers in it. If you want to cut layers, you would kind of pull your hair up to the side like that. But since I'm not doing layers, I'm just going to pull the hair down to the bottom and then cut it straight across. And you want to be sure and use some non-dull scissors, unlike myself, and it will make this job a whole lot easier. Next is going to be defining the unit. Now, all I really do is take my Denman brush and I spritz the hair with my conditioner water treatment, and then I just brush the unit with the conditioner. And the more you brush the unit with the conditioner water, you're going to start to naturally define the curls of the unit without having to do any finger coils, twirls, or anything of the sort. Now, I'm just showing you guys the parting space on this unit. I believe it's a 13 by 6. If not, I'll go ahead and put the specs across the screen. And next it comes to cutting the lace. Now, I was trying to show you guys how to cut the lace, and as usual, all you have to do is take a zigzag motion or use a zigzag scissor, whichever one you prefer. Now, I am going to lay this unit down using some adhesive spray. At first, I'm just going to simply wipe off my skin to clear it from any makeup. And then I'm going to add my lace melting sprays. I do like to use a 2 combo. This combination has been the best combination I've tried so far, and it gives me a really nice hold up to a week at times. Now, of course, when it comes to the size of the units, you do want to give it extra care. You might have to spray a little extra spray on those sides just to make sure that it stays down. Afterwards, I am going on top of my hair using some of my wax stick, and then I'm following it with my flat iron. Even though it's a curly unit, I do like to make sure that my hair is flat whenever it's coming up for the roots, because I feel like it gives a better look and it helps it not have like that wiggish look. I'm not going to tell y'all I was talking the whole time. My mic wasn't turned on. But anyway, I just added a little bit of gloss to this hair and fluffed it out a little bit. And that's really all that I needed to do. As you guys can see, the curls in this unit are defined, and I didn't define them. All I did was a good old trusty Denman brush. Works every time. I used to waste my time twirling and defining the curls, and then I realized the power of conditioner water and a Denman brush. If you haven't tried it, do yourself a favor and try it. Thank me later. In any event, I will say that I do like the way this unit turned out. The lace is a little showing up here because I feel like when I was cutting the lace, I was pulling on the lace a little bit and it caused it to have these little frays that makes it a little bit harder to blend in with the powder. Of course, this can be fixed, but I wasn't about to redo this entire install. So just want to be mindful that when you do cut your lace, that you're not pulling on the lace because that will cause that to happen. I was trying to tell y'all something and look, messed it up myself. But other than that, I do appreciate the color in this unit. Is like nice little pops of color throughout. It's not doing too much. So it's perfect for all you girls who don't like to try color. As you guys can see, this is like a really nice subtle transition unit because it's not too much, but it still gives you something different than that boring black. Not that I don't like black, but you know, sometimes it's nice to have some color. And this is the first time I've actually reviewed a curly unit with color. I actually had one other one before and it was a short curly unit. So it's nice to see it in a longer length. I do appreciate the length that has been trimmed to now. I do like to cut off probably about 1 inch of the hair, and because it just helps the ends to be more defined and curly and not look stringy. If you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. But of course, if you're one of the people who want to keep every inch, I ain't mad at you, sis. Do you, boo. In any event, I will say that when manipulating this unit, I didn't really experience too much shedding. And that says a lot because most curly units tend to shed a lot, especially a lot more than straighter units. And I didn't really experience any tangling either. And this is about my third collaboration with Hermosa hair, and I can honestly say that I am pretty satisfied with their units. Like the quality to the price point, I think is really good, and I really haven't heard any bad reviews about them, so I feel like you can purchase from them with confidence. That's pretty much all I got for you guys, but before we get out of here, y'all know I'm gonna need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. And while you're at it, why don't you check out this video? You might enjoy it as well. As always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.